so many therapists have become therapists because of their trauma histories, because of their own healing journeys.
That's true.
But here's the thing that I think happens. A lot of therapists get into this work to heal their trauma through the work that they do.
Yep. Which is fine if you have awareness that that's what's happening. It's really dangerous if that's happening and you're unaware. That's where therapists can do a lot of harm, I think.
Absolutely. 100%. Like everyone who's a therapist has their own story, has their own struggles, we're humans. I mean, we've all experienced it. It probably was a catalyst, but the difference, I think, is what I see with autistic therapists is that you're not necessarily trying to heal yourself through the work that you're doing. You were brought to the work because of the masking trauma and trauma that you've endured throughout life. But that's your only way of acknowledging how to be. So I don't know if necessarily changes because you're helping other people understand this and process their own emotions and feelings.